Creations, and today I come to you with another Diamond Art Club unboxing. I was gonna show y'all. Let me see. Let me cover it up. Y'all get a packing slip in your box. Keep it. There is a coupon code down at the bottom for you to get more percentages off. I think it's 15%. So y'all be wise to that. I think I threw away my first one. And I started looking and I'm like, wait a minute. What is that? And I said, uh-oh. And it looks like it's the same code on all of them. So, hey, any percentage off is good. So here's another one that I've gotten. Oh my gosh. This box. All right. So with this box, we see the blue, holographic blue. So what does that mean? It is square. It is a square diamond kit. Y'all can't see it here, but it is Crystal Lake Cabin. Let's get into this, baby. I am so loving this. I wish I could do them kind of faster, but you know, it's not a race. That's it. Always the normal kit, but oh my gosh. This one, because it's a square, I don't know if I showed y'all this before, but it doesn't matter. We're going to see it again. Of course, the token blue drill pen, blue squishy, the boat, and the 2 heart pink wax, and your large supply of baggies. Except in this kit, because it's a square, you get the very sharp tweezers. I have tons of these. I need to be giving them out to people. And then this one, I am so excited. Are y'all doing the placers again? I love it. Thank you so much. I love having the 4 placer. That is actually my favorite placer. It used to be the three placer, but the 4 placer is now my favorite. But anyway, awesome. Let's put that kit right here. Of course, the square picture that you always get. And here it is. This is Crystal Lake Cabin. And it is, I think this one is by, let me see, who is it by? This one is by Dominique Davison. When I saw this Crystal Lake Cabin, it made me think of course, Friday the 13th, Crystal Lake. But look at that beautiful image. Y'all know I love that. Cabin with a little lake. Got a little, what is that? Canoe. And it is a square with ABs. It is a 76 by 51 centimeters, which is a 30 inch by 20 inch. And it has 48 colors. Let's see, does it have ABs? Yes, it did say that. There are 2 ABs, 135 and 141. I'm loving having 141. I'm getting stocked up on 141s. That is amazing. You can add all your extras, you save them, and you can add them to other kits. Because you know it's always going to be extras. The beautiful drills with the name. Alright, let's open them up. Of course, it comes with the step-by-step instructions, which also has a coupon code. I'm going to roll it backwards so we can see this baby. Oh my goodness. I'm loving this. Come on. Yes. Alright, let's see what this baby look like. Now this one is long this way. Ooh, yes! Look how nice, guys. I'll move my laptop over a little bit. Oh my goodness, look at the cabin. You can see it so well. The little canoe here. You got the ducks, mallard ducks here. Can y'all see that? I'm pointing at it, but I don't know if y'all can see it. Move it up. Mallard ducks here. Look at the water. Oh my goodness. I'm kind of wondering about this. Let me look at it. Oh, okay, I see it. It's like a reflection. I might add a little bit blue more somewhere else with this. Oh my goodness, I love it. I can see me and my husband sitting out on that front porch. We absolutely love this. Look at the beautiful flowers down here. Yes. Mountain scenery in the back. Birds flying there. Got the smoke coming out the chimney. This is gorgeous. All right, so let's get it straight. There's the test there for the stickiness. Y'all know it's always going to be sticky, but we always have to do that so everybody can see. This might be the first one you've seen on my channel. Making these things beautiful. Let's flip it around so I can do the other side. I'm loving that sky. This sky has purple in it. Oh, I'm loving that purple. So I know we're going to have some purple. I think that's number 3. Matter of fact, I'm looking at it. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. All right. Did I show y'all the drill field? I don't think I did. So while we're looking at the label right here, let's look at the drill field here. Look at those flowers. What? Y'all know, y'all see that very clearly. And remember, this is a square. So there is the information. Crystal Lake Cabin by Dominique Davison and Diamond Art Club. That's what the heck I'm talking about. I love this one. And I saw this one come up. I was like, oh, let me grab it. All right. So let's look at these drills, guys. Let's get on to the beauties. That's going to make this baby pop. Some big bags here. Lots of greens, lots of earth tones because of the scenery. So let's see how many trains we have. See some ABs already. We have 1, 2, 3. Look like 3 trains. All right, so let's look at them. Woo, look at all these greens. Good googly boo. Squares look great. Look at those square drills. Amazing. So we got that purple. Ooh, that's so pretty. Here's our first green, 471. Oh, that purple is 340. Then 471. Oh, we got 2 890s, that dark green, 890. 2, 3. Oh, Lord, we got 3 triple threat. 937. Good googly boo. 3 of the greens. And then we got 3371. That looks like a deep, no, that's a brown, dark brown. And then we have 2 of 895, another green. 2 3346, another green. And then 1 470, green again. That one has a lot of green. We'll see the picture again in just a moment. Let's go this way now. All right, so now we got some grays. 414, 317, another purple, 155. We got this baby blue. Let's go. That's sky and the lake. 3755, 3347. 1 bag of 310, amazing. 1 bag, I love it. Then we got, okay, that almost confused me a little bit. This is 898 brown. And this is 938 brown. So it's a one little darker shade. This is lighter than that one. Then we got 904, 434, 3. Okay, you want to be twisted up snake. 318, that's a gray. 3746, ooh, that's a beautiful purple. That is very pretty. 435, 834, 677. Our first AB, guys. Look at this. This is more like it's a yellow, but it looks like it has a green tint, like a lime green color, guys. Can y'all see that beautiful shine? It's like a lime green. Then we got 775 as a baby blue. 833. Oh, our next AB. 141 again. Yes, 141. I have a ton of these babies. That white with that AB, that is beautiful. 3770. Then the last train is the smaller bags. Got some pinks here. 3607, 718, 728, 841, 3799, 3756. Ooh, that's a very, very pale. That's not white. That's like a very pale blue. It looks white, but it's not. And then the perfect red, 413, 3776, 3864, 210. That's a lavender. Ooh. 321. That's another red. 498 red. 3024. 934. Very dark brown. 640. That looks like a like an army green. 640. 3325. 818. 436 and 779. Beautiful. Lots and lots of greens in this one. Be greened out, boy. Alright, so let's turn it back over and let's see where these ABs go, guys. Let's see. So if we're looking at the canvas, excuse me, number 1 is that lime green AB, that 135. So it's a number 1. And it is all in the trees. That little light green that you see, this is all number 1s at the tips of the trees, down here in the bushes. All this light green that you see. It's even down here in these flowers here. Boy, this is going to be confetti heavy right here. Confetti heavy. And then over here, it's got some here. Yeah, ABs there. And then for the 141, which is number 2, we got some down here. And this little reflection of the water. Number 2's here. Got a lot of number 2's in the flowers here. All that white you see. All this through and out. And then let's go up. See if we see any more number 2's. Over the arches of the windows here. Down the side, outlining it here. Of course, I'm thinking the smoke. No, it's just got 2 right here. That's weird. I would think it would go up like that, but no, it's just got 2 little dots right there. There's a couple of 2's here, up in here. 2's around here, it's outlining. Some 2's here, so it's like it surrounding the clouds. There's no 2's there. Let's see if there's any over here. No. Well, right here. There's a little patch here that's got 2's. So, when I get my other ABs in, I'll be able to add a little more. Sprinkle here, sprinkle there, especially down here in the flowers, like this red on these flowers. I want to pull that out. Maybe a couple of the ducks. Change, put a little bit more blue in the bottom here in the water. But y'all let me know what you think. Here is the picture again. So you can see the finish, what it's supposed to look like. Y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.